Hey, good morning, friends. Welcome back to Bhau-Automation lab. In this session, we will see how to run your Selenium script on multiple browsers. Okay, I will cover 4 important browsers in this session. Okay, remaining 2 browsers you need to practice by yourself. So we will run our Selenium script on Chrome browser, Edge browser, and Internet Explorer browser and Mozilla Firefox browser. So if client asks you to run your Selenium scripts on different browser, you can easily able to run your script on different browser if you watch this video carefully. Okay, so let's start with the practical example of how to run your Selenium script on different browsers. In last session, we have seen how to log in with facebook.com, and we have launched your facebook.com Chrome browser and entered the username and password and log in successfully with facebook.com, right? To log in, we have set already system.setProperty with Chrome browser, and we have set up your Chrome driver exe in your all drivers folder on this project. So what happened here in this slide also, we need to set Chrome driver exe path first. Okay, system.set through system.setProperty method. We have to set your browser path, like if you define here like a WebDriver as a Chrome driver and define the exe path here. Okay, and create an object of that WebDriver and assign that browser instance here like a Chrome driver, like firefox geckodriver or Edge driver or anything. Then your script will be automatically run on that particular browser. But what happened here, if you set the system part like this in the we have set up in previous lecture, like Chrome driver, like WebDriver.Chrome driver, and we have set up the hard-coded path here like Chrome driver exe. If you set up the path like this, hard-coded with your system path like a D drive and Java and Selenium automation project, and then all drivers in Chrome driver exe, then what happen if you deploy this or if you import this project on any other machine, then this location is not found there, right? Because on that system there is no D drive and this folder is, right? So how to overcome this challenge? We need to change that path as per that system again and again. If you install this system on your colleague's machine, like 4 or 5 colleagues machine, then we need to set up this path again. So this is the not good idea to set up the path like this, hard-coded path like this till Chrome exe. Okay, if you want to launch your latest Chrome browser, then you can through direct setup browser method you can launch it. But if you want to run on different versions, then we need to set up this Chrome driver exe path, right? So we have to store that Chrome driver or geckodriver or iDriver or Edge driver exes in this all driver folder in this Selenium automation project only, right? So we have to set up the global path for this all these exes. So first of all, we will set up global path of this exe for the exe, and then after I will show you how to download these exe files for every browser and how run your script on different browsers practically. Okay, so let's start with practical example of global setup first. So if we have set up like system.setProperty, right? So we need to write here like we need to first of all check this project path. Okay, so how to get this project path globally? So to get that project path, we need to write one method like system dot. We have here what we have done here. We have system dot set property, right? So we have to write here like a system dot get property. System dot get property. Okay, and here we need to write user.dir. So you mean to say what is the meaning of this system.get property user.dir means we will get user directory through this method. Okay, if you print this in system.out.println like system.get property, this method will be provide you like user directory path, means this project path. Okay, if I run this program, I will see you the output. Okay, the output is like that. Output is like DWS Java Selenium automation, means we will get the project path directly through this method, right? After that, we have a folder like all drivers. Okay, we need to just whenever you import this project on different machine, any machine, then this project is already there because we have import all the project, right? So we will get that directory path through this method, right? And after that, it will automatically get that all drivers folder, and it will automatically get the exe whichever you want and directly run your system project. So we will need to set the path like this globally. Okay, we need to remove this hard coded path from here, right? So we will set here like user system dot get property, like user dot directory, okay, dir. So we will get our project path here automatically, and then we have all drivers folder, right? Yes, all drivers folder. So like how to run Chrome browser. So system.setProperty we have done, WebDriver.ChromeDriver, then system.getProperty. So it will get user directory path, and then again all drivers folder is here and Chrome driver is inside that. If you import this project on any different machine, it automatically get that machine directory path like this project, and we have already all drivers folder inside this project. So it will automatically get Chrome driver and it will run your program. So we not required to change this location again and again. Okay, so it will resolve that problem. We will set globally user directory path to run your Chrome driver exe. So to run your Chrome driver on Chrome browser, so we need to set Chrome driver exe path, and we need to create write object dot WebDriver, and we'll need to assign a Chrome driver to WebDriver object, right? So if I run this program now, it will launch Chrome driver and facebook.com, and we'll try to log in, right? Okay, we have login successfully with facebook.com. Okay, login successfully with facebook.com. So we have successfully run your first script in first browser like Chrome browser with setup the global path and Chrome driver object. Right? For a different browser, we need to change that from like a driver object and our system exe path. So first of all, we need to download these exe files to run like a driver exe files from official website of Selenium. Okay. So how to download it? I need to launch Chrome. Okay, I'll just launch and right here like a Selenium dev.downloads. Okay, so it is the official website to work with Selenium, and we have all required downloads here also. So we have, if you want to download Selenium, you can download from here. Okay, then here we need to go this browser section. Okay, we can see here like a Firefox browser, internet browser, Internet Explorer browser, Safari, Opera, Chrome, Edge. Selenium support all these browser to run your script, right? So if you want to run your Selenium script on Firefox browser, then we need to go this section like documentation section. Okay. For running your Selenium script on Firefox browser, we need to set up geckodriver path. Okay. So we require this geckodriver. So in this download section, we need to go this geckodriver release section. Just click on this geckodriver release section, and here we can see different releases of geckodriver like 30, okay, 29, 29.1, 29.0, and all these versions. Okay, so just first of all, open your Firefox browser in your machine. Okay, then check your browser version. Go to the help section and click on about Firefox, and here my version is 92. Okay, so 92, to run your Selenium script on 92, you can see here 30 is required, because above 78 all the 30 geckodrivers versions is required, right? So I'll go to this releases sections again, and I just download this 30th version. Okay, to download this, just scroll down, and as per your operating system like Linux, Mac, or in Windows. So my operating system Windows 64-bit. Just click on this. Okay, and then we'll just go to the desktop and standard on Java, and I'll just save. Just click on this save button, so it will save your zip file on your folder which you want to save. Okay, like I have say already downloaded this version like 30 for Windows 64-bit, so I'm not going to download it again. Okay, so I'll just click on cancel button. You just need to download this and then go to this Selenium Java section. So it will save like this format, geckodriver version 30.0. So you just right click on this and click extract here. So after clicking extract, it will save like this, geckodriver exe. Just copy this exe file from here and paste it into your all drivers folder, like I have already pasted here. Okay, so now we have a geckodriver exe. Like we need to change your our web system dot set property path and WebDriver object path, object also. Okay, we need to assign WebDriver object to your now Firefox driver. Let's change here like a Firefox driver. Okay, just import Firefox driver from here, selenium.org, and here just write a geckodriver and just assign this driver to geckodriver exe. So whenever you want to run your script on Mozilla Firefox, then you need to change like a geckodriver, and you need to set up WebDriver object as a Firefox driver. Okay, and need to assign WebDriver object to Firefox driver, and just change this gecko as a driver. Right, so just need to change these two changes. Okay, and then if I run this program now, so it will launch Firefox for us now, right? So it will take some time to load our page. Okay, Firefox launched successfully. Let's see this. Facebook.com is open, and we have logged in successfully with Facebook.com. Right? Okay. So login successful with Facebook. So we have launched your second browser successfully, and we have logged in with Facebook.com also. So we have done only these two changes, and we have downloaded geckodriver exe and stored in all drivers folder. Right? Same thing we have to do for a third browser. Like we need to download this time for a Edge driver. Okay. So for Edge, just go to the documentation purpose, documentation section, and okay, we have different releases here. Okay, as per the version we have, you have installed in your machine. Just open your Edge browser. Check which version we have. You have for your Edge browser. Okay, so go to this help section and check about maps update. Okay, so my version is 94, right? It's 94. So just go here for 94, version 94. Okay, here is 94 version. for Mac, and 64-bit Windows, and so 94. Check version properly here actually, because if you done any mistake here, it will not work. Like 94.0.99250. This is my version 94.0.99250, and my operating system is 64-bit. So I'll just download from here. Okay, so it will download like this in again zip format. Okay, so we need to go here. So I have already downloaded the same version, geckodriver 9 Win64. So I'm not going to download it again. Okay, so I'll just cancel it, but you have to download it. It will save like this. You just extract this file here. Okay, it will save like this geckodriver exe, like extract here. Okay, let's extend the store. Okay, it will generate this exe file for us after extracting this. So you just copy this file from here and paste it in your all drivers folder, like here. Okay. So what we have to change here for the run our Selenium script on Microsoft Edge. So we need to change this Edge, like WebDriver.Edge driver, like this. And we need to set this, change this exe path also. Okay, then we need to change like this. Okay, we need to set up like Microsoft WebDriver object as a Edge driver now. Edge driver, need to import this Edge driver from Selenium. And now if I run this program, that's it. Now it will launch Microsoft Edge driver process to log in your facebook.com, right? Here we go. We have login successful with Edge driver. We have login successful with facebook.com through Edge driver also, right? Here we go. Pass login success. Okay. So we have done this Facebook login script, and we have run successfully this facebook.com login script on 3 different browsers, like Chrome browser, like Firefox browser, and like for Microsoft Edge browser also. But sometimes we have required InternetExplorer browser also. Okay, it's actually outdated, but some clients required to run scripts on InternetExplorer browser also. So I'll tell you how to run your Selenium script on Internet Explorer also. Okay, so go to the browser sections again. Okay, and go to this documentation section, contribution section, and just download Internet Explorer exe. Okay, go to download executable exe section and download as per the version. These are the exes, right? After click on 64-bit Internet Explorer. Now download multiple files, just allow it. Okay, it will save like this. I have already saved in my desktop, like here Internet Explorer exe, server driver exe. So server driver exe. Okay, so if it is all whenever you download, it will save like this, and then you can extract this file from here, and it will extract like this Internet driver server exe. You just copy this file, same like we have done for all last 3 browsers, and paste it here. Okay, and we need to change here, like this time for Internet Explorer browser, we just need to change like here, like I driver server, and we need to pass this I server driver exe here. like this, driver server. Okay, and just change here like internet Explorer driver. Okay, we need to import this Internet Explorer driver from Selenium, and here you go. We can able to run this facebook.com script on Internet Explorer also. Let's check it. Nowadays, I don't think so. Facebook.com is not support to Internet Explorer browser, I think. Yeah, yes, it is unsupported browser, right? So petbus.com is not supported. You can check with any other websites also. Just change the here like right, and we'll check if flipkart.com is open in the Internet Explorer browser or not, right? So here you go, flipkart.com. Yes, and we have launched flipkart.com successfully in Internet Explorer browser, right? So in this fashion, we can run your Selenium scripts on multiple browsers. Okay. I have explained you guys like four important browsers like Chrome driver, Firefox driver, Internet Explorer driver, and Microsoft Edge driver. Okay. So you can just practice by yourself with remaining browsers like Opera browser, like Firefox. If you have a Safari browser installed in your machine, you just practice by your own. And let me know if you have any query related to this browser sessions or how to run your Selenium script on different browsers. Okay, so that's it, guys. In this session, in next section, we will see more interesting or more important concept related to the Selenium. Still time. If you like this video, just don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your friends. Okay. So let's meet in next video chapter. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.